Okay, you guys, I have another ThredUp DIY designer. Let's see what's in here. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived at my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller, mostly on eBay and Poshmark. I do sell locally at an antique mall and on other online platforms such as Mercari, Depop, and Facebook Marketplace. And I have a major ThredUp addiction. I am a ThredUp Ambassador, which means that in exchange for posting on Instagram, I get now $25. It used to be $50 a month, which was fabulous. But now it's $25 a month to either save up or use as I desire on stuff. The only thing I had for this one was a $10 credit. I exchanged some of my points for $10 off. So basically it's like I got the shipping for free because now they charge $9.99 for shipping. They are normally $140 plus now the $9.99. And I paid $139.99 for this. So divided by the 7 items that should be in here, that's still $20 a piece. It's $19.99. I have mixed luck with these boxes, so we'll see. I think it's been a while since I've had a Georgia one, but it's got a nice pretty sticker on here. So let's see what's in here. It is DIY, so they could have small flaws, big flaws, no flaws sometimes, but very rare. They also include luxe items now and not just straight up luxury designers. And here's what she looks like at first glance. All right, so let me take the small stuff first. There seems to be quite a few small things in here, so I'm not sure about that. All right, so we have a belt. I don't see anything branded on the belt. It seems to be kind of like a vintage belt. It's red snakeskin or burgundy. I'm not good with the shades. And this is from YSL Yves Saint Laurent. It says size small. There we go. It is very tiny. So yeah, I probably wouldn't have paid $20 for this, but I'm sure it's still sellable. It doesn't really look like it's in bad shape. It's definitely been worn, but I mean, the holes are still looking pretty good. There's no real wear, so that's a plus. Another small thing. Kind of seems like jewelry. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I don't know if this is a necklace or what, but I have heard this brand before, and I heard this from Lindsey Clark. She does a lot of these unboxings as well. I will leave her channel link down below. Don't know if you'll be able to see this, but the brand is Claire V. I know that she makes purse straps that are very popular, but I don't think this is long enough for a bag strap. So maybe it is a necklace. No, I don't know. It's pretty damn tight if I try to put it around my neck. So I don't know what this is. Maybe it is like a little purse strap. It's like a resin or acrylic, little green chain links. So yeah, I don't know about this one, you guys. I don't see any wear, so that's fantastic. I can definitely still sell it, but I would like to know what the heck it is before I try to sell it. It would be an extremely tight choker for me if I tried to wear this as a necklace. So yeah, maybe it is a purse strap. Both sides have the clasps, so could be a strap, possibly a necklace. I don't know. Then we have a small leather good here. This is a wallet from Prada. Great brand. It is quite a bit dirty, but the corners are still in okay shape. There is some wear, if you can see that. And my camera is gonna die, of course, so be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry if the angle changed or anything. I didn't realize my battery was that low. It still had like half of its battery life according to the screen, so yeah. But we have this Prada wallet. The zipper isn't super smooth, but it does still function. The inside, there is a tear here in this middle like zip pocket. Does have quite a bit of card slots on both sides. Some dirt down in there. This is probably an older piece. I don't know if I'm supposed to be looking for a serial number. This side is completely torn in the lining. I do still think I could sell this, but not quite sure if I'd get, you know, close to my $20 cost of goods. Oh, there's something in here. Sadly, it's not a dollar bill, but don't know. Could be an old receipt that's just completely faded. Let's make sure none of the other pockets have anything. Oh, there's a pin or a needle, sorry. There's a needle in here. Like a sewing needle, guys. Don't get any ideas. Yeah, don't see anything else. So that's what the inside looks like. Quite a bit of wear, but that's okay. Next we have one of their Luxe pieces. I've gotten this brand a few times. It's also the sweater that I'm wearing. It is Sandro. Not my favorite brand to sell. It's a very slow mover for me. This is cute though. Let's see, what are you? A dress? Yeah. This is a little, it looks like you're going on a safari dress. It's got the pockets. It's kind of pleated here. It almost looks like a trench coat, but it is a dress. It does have a bit of a smell. Not a bad smell, just like a detergent smell. And there is a side zipper here. Let's make sure that works. So it looks like it functions. I didn't see a size up at the top, but I know a lot of Sandro pieces, yeah, they're usually like in the collar by one of the shoulders. Okay, this is a size 38, so that's good. I don't like when I get things that don't have a size. It doesn't seem to be missing a belt or anything. I'm just checking the inside to see if there's a fabric tag. I don't feel a fabric tag, but that's fine. Can still sell it. I don't see any glaring issues with this, like condition wise. There might be a little tiny mark like right here on the back of the shoulder, but nothing crazy. I do oftentimes find flaws later when I go to list, but as of right now, this one looks pretty good. Then we have a very pink item. If you couldn't tell by that groan, this is not a brand that I like. This is Trina Turk. I have not had good luck with this brand the rare few times that I have had it to sell. This is another dress. The zipper does work. It goes down pretty far too. So it's a sleeveless, a fuchsia dress. I don't know styles of dresses unless it's like fit and flare or a maxi. So, sorry. It is fully lined, polyester lining. However, there's no size on this at all that I see. Just says Trina Turk, Los Angeles. I don't know if the Real takes this brand. If they do, I might send this in because I don't like to list dresses, especially without sizes. So this may go to them, but it's cute. It's in decent shape. I don't see any issues aside from the size, and ThredUp doesn't take things without a size, so that could be why it was in this box to begin with. This is a brand I have no experience with at all. I've barely even heard it ever mentioned. So if you have any experience or things to share, please let me know. This is Altazora. Sorry if I'm butchering that. Don't see a size up there, but there is a size in here, size 44, and they are wool pants. Red, not the best color to sell for pants. If they were black, it'd be better, or gray, but kind of got a little bit of like a boot cut, or maybe even a flare. Don't quite know what the specific difference is, but that's promising because that style is popular. It does have an issue down here at the bottom on the back. It looks like maybe a small, that's gonna be really hard to show. It's near the seam, but it looks like maybe a small repair was done here and the thread is not quite the correct shade of red. There's a small pull here and it might be a hole. Yeah, I think that's a hole. Over here, there's a hole in the pull. I'm trying to see if maybe they released the, I think that's maybe what happened here, guys. So if I pull the bottom hem to the outside, you can see that they have been hemmed. There's that same color thread that doesn't match. So it looks like they made them a little bit shorter. So I guess that could be, yeah, so that's not a repair. That's just the hem and they didn't do it the right way. So I'll see if I can release that. There's a tiny little mark here in the back of a leg, but otherwise they're in good shape, minus the fact that they've been hemmed. So there's that. And then the last item we have, my hair is so fluffy today. The last item we have is what seems to be a pair of pants from a brand I've sold a few times. It's not bad. I like finding it for sure. This is called Burberry Brit. It's one of their diffusion lines of Burberry, Burberry London, Burberry Brit, Burberry's. These are women's size 30 or a waist size 30, and they are black denim skinnies. Not bad. I'm glad that they're black because that's an easier sell. Don't know what these would go for, especially with a high cost of goods, but they'll at least help me make my money back. And they're in good shape. I don't see any issues besides they need like a lint roll because they're a bit hairy. So that's the last item. So we have these Burberry black jeans, the hemmed Altazora wool pants, this pink, very, very bright pink Trina Turk dress with no size, the Sandro safari dress. Then we have the Prada wallet, this Claire V strap jewelry, whatever this is, and then the YSL belt. I think out of all of the items, I like the Sandro dress. I think it's a cute style and it should do well. And also this Claire V thing, because I'm really curious to see what exactly this might be and how much I could sell it for, because I have never sold this brand. So those are my 7 items in this version of the ThredUp DIY designer box. I have 6 more right over here that I need to unbox. So I'm on a little bit of a ThredUp spending freeze for a little bit until I can get caught up with making the videos. But let me know what you guys thought of this box. How do you think the quality was? Obviously the quantity is always the same. It's always 7, and sometimes they count sets as each individual item, which is kind of annoying, but I didn't get any this time, so that's fine. I got 7 individual items. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, guys, and leave a comment down below with maybe your favorite item. Otherwise, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps me out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from me. And as always, if you're not already subscribed and you like reseller content and ThredUp unboxings, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you here in my weird little family on the internet, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.